I ćao igrašemo i novi, danas ćemo da reaktamo na Fortnite prove kako dobiju klip. Da.
I just got shit on. Who is that, bro? I actually just got shit on. He just baited so hard.
He's hard zero. He stole everything from me. It's a random. Nice. The bluest skin, he has hard zero. Yeah, that kid's booga.
That kid is Jesus, bro.
Yeah, he stole both my shit first shot and I got stuck down there.
Ma che cazzo è? Ma chi è? Ma chi è?
Bro, come on, dude.
Cheater! What the fuck?
Good play. Dude, you're insane.
P.
Our bot! Wait, it's our bot! I can't kill it.
25. Ran. Ran. I got it.
Ready?
Running at you. 25. 40 crack.
Wow, I got actually somehow dead? The fuck? He's...
Like, bro, literally, like, I'm just so far outside of that box, it's not even funny.
I see him. Jesus fucking Christ. What the fuck? Yo, that guy's hit.
Wow, like this kid's trying so hard. Like, bro, these kids got it, bro. Like these cash kids, like.
Geh rein. Komm. Ja, mach. Ich bin 1 AP. Tot. Wer schätzt gay? Nein. Oh mein Gott! Du bist Dings. Das ist bewiesen.
What?
No.
There's no way this kid just killed me.
We're all dead.
Oi. Cracked him on King Davis. No mats, bro. No nitro, no nothing.
Up. I'm not gonna qual.
Why is this guy so weird?
I have 185 right now with 20 up. I'm gonna get fraggy. You need a 20 kill win.
¿No? Buen crack, 100, 120.
No mames. No puta mames. Tut jetzt so auf W-Key, aber jeder weiß, das Ding ist nicht smooth. Und ich kann nicht bauen. Ey, ich kann nicht mein Edit bauen. Ich kann.
Like, you suck. Like, you're a fucking loser. Like, oh my god. I knew he was coming, and he still hits me that hard on the way down. I can't with these kids, bro. Like, what is wrong with you? I don't even have a chance. I tried to put a fucking... No, his mom is a hoe.
Alright, Pilot, I am sorry that my $2 dono was not enough. Please forgive my apology, and I am giving you $1 more. My 6-mom job Consuela is no longer with me and my 5 3-year-old siblings. I now have to take care of my family and take up all—
I don't care about you and your fucking broke mom!
I'll just say me no comprehender. Oh my god, you just got fucking— oh my—
Il m'a fait un stray! Il m'a fait un stray, il a mis un com! Mais vas-y! Nice six, gros!
What the fuck, I was having
Oh my god. What? I just got clipped. How was that his wall behind me? I mean, I actually changed title.
Pick seine. Alter, Gratulation und die Aufstellung. Like, could you make it any more obvious, bro?
Posso pouco esperar.
Brother, we're throwing minis at the guy. Like, you should have just backed out, bro. Save yourself from that embarrassment. Fuck.
Oh my god.
You're chucking minis at him, bro. Like.
Great. Ace.tw, be careful.
Oh my god, he's a god.
Yeah, yeah,
Wow.
yeah. Cool.
He's a god. Man.
Nah, it's us.
Can I eat now?
So I have a max friends list, which is 1,000 friends. And
even some of the best Fortnite players in the world get clipped, and that's what we're watching. We got Clicks pushing somebody in Tilted Towers, Fortnite OG. Bro, they get sweaty on OG, Chad. They get sweaty on OG. That
Like,
What?
Bro, I'm finna lose it when it comes to this game.
No! Oh my god!
Puppy!
I'm not playing! 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 I'm not
Yo, hop off me. Stop it. I'm dead. Sorry. I'm gonna fucking break something, I swear.
It's so bad right now.
oh man, got clipped in it, boy. Is this your edits?
Try me.
Wait, is that guy cheating, bro? What?
He's better ping than me. I couldn't take it. I put all my money on taking the wall and going for the 50-50 and he got it. Bro was born into zero. A random kid's born into zero ping. It's not fair. It's not fair.
I'm coming, Lucas. No, Lucas, don't drop.
You might be able to res. Bro, what the f is this team doing?
Help me. Bro, what?
100 on 1, 100 on 1.
100 full box?
100, 100, 100.
What?
Yo, this is Booga. What the f? They just got on.
Oh, so wait. Wrong guys, bro.
Mais c'est une dinguerie, frérot. Y'a pas un putain de mur devant lui, gros.
It's fine, we're fine. What is that? What is that? Are you good?
No, I died. Sit, careful. I'll be right with you. You wanna get clipped? Do you wanna get clipped?
Bro, I'm on 80. Uh-oh. What? Hello.
My boy. When was the last time you made money views? I have no clue, bro. Like last year, sometime? When was the last time you sold drugs, OT? Yesterday? Oh, I just got up. Okay.
Nice. Hey, come on, football. Got these? Dude, how, bro?
I just got clipped, bro.
Wait, how is that his cone? Like, what? I didn't get it.
Let's go pressure the res.
He's jumping. Alright.
I
Dude, my slow synth, I can't. It's so slow. It's so slow. I can't.
Tentando a vida. Assinando esse vídeo e tchau.